Hello, thanks for joining me. Hope you can hear me above the noise of the water. And yeah, after months and months and months, I'm finally out for a wild camp. And I've just set off from New Mills, Newtown station, and I'm heading up first through the Tors Valley, beautiful Millennium Way, onto the Set Valley Trail, and then I'm just going to meander up through Hayfield and up onto the edge of Kinder Scout for a wild camp. Oh, it's good to be out again, even though I'm not used to carrying a pack. All sorts of reasons for why it's been so long, but yeah, partly because of a back injury, and then there was you know, some family things that needed dealing with, holiday in Spain, all of those things. But anyway, I'm out now, so it's going to be nice. Why not stick along and see how it goes. Just wandering along the Set Valley Trail now, probably about 1.5 miles from Hayfield, and it's a bridle way, and there's plenty of benches, and it's that long since I've walked with a proper backpack. You need to sit down every so often. Don't matter how many miles you do just with a day pack, when you've got your overnight kit with you, it doesn't half make a difference if you're out of shape. So yeah, I'm not in any rush anyway, so I'll take my time and just carry on moseying on up towards Kinder. I've just got the Osprey Stratos 36 with me tonight, and you can't carry any luxuries, there's just no room. So not a great deal of weight, probably maybe 9.5, 10 kilos, something like that, including water, and both my poles, because I've got the DD Superlight Tarp tent, which needs, well, you can set it up with one pole, but it prefers 2 walking poles. Just gone past Birch Vale now, and you get a nice view up to Lantern Pike, just up there. Another beautiful walk that is. Done it a couple of times on videos. Lovely view. Right, just heading out of Hayfield now, up past the camping and caravanning club site, and then out up onto the hills where the real climbing begins. View opening up now along the ridge out to Mount Famine, and then just beyond South Head right at the end. Just taking another breather. That's where we're heading. I'm not going to lie, that climb up from Hayfield has taken it out of me. I think a lot of my get up and go seems to have got up and went. Need to get back into this again. So just ordinary day walks, it's ain't the same thing at all. Knackered. on Kinder Scout now. An energy bar boosted me get up and go a little bit, so feel a bit better than before, but the fun doesn't stop there. I've just gone over like 3 minor water sources that are all dry, and then one reliable one, Red Brook, which is also dry. So currently heading round to Kinder Downfall, because definitely need water, because I've got dried food and dried food for breakfast, so I'll need to get something sorted. If Kinder Downfall lets me down, I'll have to I don't know, perhaps head a bit lower level or something like that. We'll just have to see. Water at last. It is flowing, not as much as I would have liked, but I've got the filter and I've got Sani tabs, so it's the best I'm going to get. Better than what I saw before at Red Brook. It was, I think that was mainly sheep piss. So no, I don't think so. That's emergencies only. But I don't think I'm going back to where I was thinking of camping. It was quite exposed. The wind's coming in from the northwest straight at us here, so I think I'm just going to see if I can find a little bit of flat ground just in from the downfall that isn't downfalling very much, and might not be as picturesque as being right on the edge, but on a windy night. I think it's a bit windier than they said it was going to be. They said it was going to be up to about 20 miles an hour, but I think it's probably gusting a bit more than that. So for a peaceful night, I'll try and get somewhere a bit more sheltered. Right, get the water sorted. Right, just about set up. Found a little spot just in from Kinder Downfall. I'll show you around in a minute, but it's not the sort of place you'd want to set up if you knew it was going to be bad weather, because these little groughs can kind of come alive with water. But there ain't much water around at all. I struggle to collect any even at Kinder Downfall. But yeah, not a bad little setup. No real views out to speak of. See one other wild camper just over the way, and saw another still walking along, and a couple more people headed up towards Kinder Gates, and I think at this time of night, it's getting on for 8 o'clock now, they were probably camping as well, although they didn't have very large packs with them. Give you a quick look around the tent. Nothing exciting in here. I've got my Snugpack Softy Elite 2, my little cheap Neo Air Venture. It's not got any thermal insulation, but it's good enough for this time of year. And then all my junk in the head end. Just a little vestibule on this tent. If you look round outside, and I'm going to cook myself something to eat. Nothing exciting, I won't show you that. All I've got is some pasta in a packet. I'm cooking on the Trangia tonight, but the ground's nice and moist as well, so shouldn't be a problem. Or otherwise I'd get a rock from the stream, but the ground's nice and moist, so I'm not going to cause any problems with the Trangia. Right, quick look around. Yum, pasta and chemicals. What more could you ask from a meal after hard days hiking. I really do go for the quality stuff when I'm out. Ended up about 11 miles I think today. It was a bit longer than I was planning on, but anyway, I should sleep well hopefully, fingers crossed. Right, it's about what is it? 20 past 9 I think now, and just having a bit of a relax in the tent with this, just the insect mesh down. It's just starting to lose the light a little bit now, and yeah, just having a chill out, watch a film in a bit, and don't think I'll be awake very late, that's for sure. Quite a nice evening, clear, but from where I am there's no real chance of a sunset or anything like that. I'm down in a bit of a dip anyway, but sun should come up over this side, so see what we get in the morning. Just came out for a last look at the sky before the sun sets, because I won't be sitting in and watching a film, because some bright spark remembered his charging brick, but forgot his USB cable, so I need to save the remaining charge in the phone just in case, and also because I'll need to buy a train ticket tomorrow, so oh well, good job I'm tired. That probably rounds it up for tonight. I'll probably bring you back in the morning. See you mañana. Morning folks. It's horrible out there. It started raining about 1 o'clock in the morning and it's been on and off since. Don't know whether you can hear it. So it's going to be fun packing up. But I'll let you have a look outside, and then I'll need to decide whether I'm just going to start gradually packing away stuff in here, or give it a few minutes and see if it passes, but I think it's probably just sort of like low cloud with rain in, so I'm not that confident it's going to pass quickly. Anyway, I'll let you have a look outside. To be fair, it sounds worse with the in here with the rain banging on the canvas, but I'll give it a few minutes, see if it lightens up, and then start to get packed up. So there we have it, folks. All gone, no trace. That's the way it should be, and I'm out of here. Quick as possible down to Hayfield, and maybe I'll just jump on a bus from there. What a horrible day. Oh well, always a joy getting packed up in the rain. I'll probably catch you a bit further down. Just heading down Sandy Haze now. Ugh, wet through. This is rough. Don't think this was in the weather forecast. Alright folks, Just down to Kinder Reservoir now, and I think I'll wrap it up there because it's just a straight walk down into Hayfield, and I'm going to get the bus back to Stockport from there. So sorry if there's any water on the lens, I can't really help it. It's a lot better down here, but still a bit wet. And anyway, if you watched this far, thanks very much, I really do appreciate it. I know it's probably not been the most interesting wild camping video you've ever seen, but they're all good, aren't they? And if you have enjoyed it, if you wouldn't mind giving it a thumbs up, and maybe if you're new here you might want to subscribe, really appreciate that as well. But I'll sign off there, say ta-ra, and see you on another video very, very soon. Cheers now, bye.